Hello and welcome to all. This is a very special occasion. The Eni Shareholders Meeting will be held on the 14th of May and the shareholders will be the protagonists at the event. Shares are not only an investment, but also the key for participating in the life of Eni. To become a shareholder, please contact your authorized intermediary and buy Eni shares. As soon as you exercise some of your rights, you will be entered in the register of shareholders. Then, to follow developments in your stock, you can also log on to Eni's website. But now, let's talk about the Shareholders Meeting. We're at the Rome headquarters. On the 14th of March, the board convened the ordinary shareholders meeting in a single call to approve the financial statements, allocate net profit, approve a new buyback program of Eni shares, and vote on the remuneration policy of Eni. Eni has made available, including on its website, the notice of convocation and the information on how to participate in the shareholders meeting. As provided for by law, the website also has all the documentation on the topics addressed on the agenda. To participate in the shareholders meeting, all you have to do is be a shareholder as of the 3rd of May and ask your authorized intermediary to notify Eni of your participation. You can participate and vote in person, by mail or by proxy, which can also be granted to the shareholders' representative designated by Eni. Shareholders who are eligible to participate can ask questions on the agenda items before the meeting, as indicated in the notice of convocation and on the Eni website. They can notify their proxy election electronically and download the mail-in ballot and the proxy form. The shareholders' meeting will be held in Rome, Piazzale Enrico Mattei 1, the Eni registered office. You will need an ID to enter the premises, and with this remote control you can cast your vote, corresponding to the number of shares you hold. The meeting is chaired by the chairman of the board of directors, who will present with the CEO the topics on the agenda, and they will answer your questions. Once the discussion and any explanations of vote have been completed on schedule, you will proceed to vote on the individual items using the remote controls. Voting is recorded, and you can also abstain. Well, thank you for your attention. Remember that shareholders have a right to participate, and that Eni wants to help you to do so as successfully as possible. For this, we have prepared a guide and more detailed documentation which you can find on the website and at the shareholders meeting. Because you are Eni. See you there.